Hello girls, today we will do some reading practice. So are you ready? This is a cat. This is a cat. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. This is a rat. This is a rat. Rat is on the bed. Say it again. Rat is on the bed. Hat is on the bread. Hat is on the bread.
Oh, wow!
A fat cat sat on a mat with a rat. Say it again. A fat cat sat on a mat with a rat. Now speak aloud these words. Cat, cat, rat, rat, fat, fat, mat, mat, bat, bat, hat, hat, sat, sat, well done kids. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Fun for everyone. Thanks for watching.